Welcome to Jonathan Lee Recruitment, founded in 1978 and now one of the best known and well respected recruitment consultancies in the engineering, manufacturing and technical sectors. The company has been built on the values of providing solutions through understanding, through fully exploring client needs and candidate desires, and matching the two. 85% of their work is repeat business.
My passion for engineering stems from my father's manufacturing company and my GKN apprenticeship. So it was no surprise that from the outset in 1978 we focused on the engineering, manufacturing and technology industries. I wanted to build a company that we could be proud of, one with a supportive team culture where everyone enjoyed working and where the customer came first. The reputation of our brand was more important than profitability. This required us to have an integrity, honesty, commitment, professionalism and knowledge and empathy to really understand engineering and our specialist industries. We now have a loyal and dedicated team with one of the lowest staff turnovers in our industry. 1/3 of us have been with us for over 10 years.
Stemming from the West Midlands engineering industry, the business has grown organically with offices in Stourbridge, Bromsgrove, Basildon and Dubai, a partner in Munich and membership of the IMSA Global Search Network.
Over the last couple of years I've worked closely with our management team on establishing a blueprint for the business. This covers its objectives and the direction of travel moving forward. We've embedded this blueprint into a set of strategies covering all aspects of the business, including the markets we work in, how we attract, develop and retain the very best staff, and the financial and corporate governance issues that surround running a recruitment business. At the heart of our entire planning process, though, is the customer. How does the customer experience benefit from the strategies we're embarking on? That's the customer in a sense of clients, in terms of candidates and in terms of contractors.
We recognise that different organisations have different requirements and we listen to and like to get to know our customers. We then utilise the information we gain through this process to combine with the industry expertise our consultants possess to arrive at the right results for our customers. Whether it's permanent or contract recruitment, executive search, interim management, managed service, talent management solutions or design services, we aim to be the customer's first choice through the quality of the service we deliver.
When Toyota decided to establish a manufacturing presence in the UK, they needed a strategic partner to deliver a mission-critical project to recruit a launch team for sites in Burniston and Deeside.
Even though Jonathan Lee were relatively small at the time, we chose them because they were very professional, committed, technically capable, and knew about the automotive industry and manufacturing in general. And it turned out to be a very fruitful selection because they recruited 178 of the first people to join the company, basically all the engineers and the first level of management, and it enabled a very capable engineering base to be established from the start, so a significant thing. And many remain. In fact, some of them are in very senior positions today. So I think what Jonathan Lee provided to us was technical knowledge, cultural and personality fit, and working with Toyota is not always easy. We're quite demanding in terms of keeping schedules, targets, reporting, and they met all these challenges. They were a significant part of the successful start of production and ramp up of Toyota Manufacturing UK, and I'm very grateful.
Partnership lies at the core of the business model for Jonathan Lee.
Finding, attracting and hiring the right people is a defining factor in the success of any business. We've therefore developed our suite of services to address any resourcing challenge a client may have. From register search to retained assignment, advertisement to targeted digital campaign, selection and talent management services, we always seek the most appropriate solution for the specific need. The value to be gained through this personalised approach to problem solving is becoming more and more important, particularly with the increasing skills gap in the UK at the moment.
Innovation and personal service is demonstrated strongly in the relationship with Tata Motors European Technical Centre.
TMETC was established in September 2005 and we were set up to support our parent company, Tata Motors of India, with the development of its products and its processes. So the idea was that we would help to defend the Indian market position from new foreign competition coming into India, but also support Tata's ambitions for international growth in its export markets. It's very important to understand that TMETC was established to grow organically. Therefore, it was critical that we engaged the right agency to help us in that process, and therefore we took on Jonathan Lee Recruitment to help us build the company up. We're looking forward to a really strong future for TMETC. Building on the success of what we've already done for Tata Motors, the parent company has committed to our investment in the National Automotive Innovation Centre, a £100 million new development here on the campus at Warwick University that will develop in partnership with the University of Warwick and with Jaguar Land Rover. That will allow us to grow by another 25% or so, and we're really looking forward to Jonathan Lee Recruitment's continued support as we develop that overall employment.
A value-added approach has seen Jonathan Lee extend its reach into other core markets such as aerospace and defence, oil and gas, food and drink, FMCG and power generation, with a client base ranging from blue-chip corporates to SMEs, who can struggle to compete in a post-recession skill-short market.
There are no boundaries at Jonathan Lee for people with ambition and enthusiasm. All of our employees receive professional training and development, and that ensures that we keep ahead of our competition. Our contractor welfare function and our excellent administration team, they are committed to providing a best-in-class service. And that, along with a dedication to continuous improvement, which is embedded in everything that we do, and that ensures that we retain both our ISO 9001 and our Investors in People accreditation.
We work hard in maintaining this culture where team members take pride in solving customer problems and delivering the highest quality of service. Our values have not changed in over 36 years. The market remains challenging with the ever-increasing shortage of key skills, but I am confident that with continuous improvement, innovation, commitment to service delivery, integrity and partnership, we will further strengthen our reputation and position as a leader in our sector.